Yeah, this week USDJPY Technical Analysis. So if I take Fibonacci from here to here, yeah, then it will give any small correction here, it will go up. Maybe, yeah, it will go up. If any give a small correction, it will go up. So once you reach this one, then look for the sell setup. Okay, this is it can form. It will form like a regular flat from like this. Then once form this one, then it will fall from here. Yeah, maybe, yeah. Okay, initially you can look for the sell setup after this, sorry, buy setup after this correction. Okay, right, thank you.